Welcome to Dandelion Holistic Nutrition and Meal Design. Today we'll be making einkorn flour pancakes using soaked flour. As always, I start by washing my hands, and then today I am washing my eggs. I have 2 farm eggs that have never been washed before. Since I will be saving these eggs and using them for a later recipe, I am making sure that I wash them well before cracking them. I'm now cracking the eggs into my smaller bowl, beating them well, and then I will transfer them into my larger bowl. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and a half teaspoon of Celtic sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm giving it a good stir. I'm now adding my soaked einkorn flour. Now I mixed this einkorn flour with water and whey the night before. So I let it sit for about 12 plus hours before using it in a recipe. I'm just scraping the bowl, making sure I get all of it out. I don't want any left behind. I'm now adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And you can't forget the vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I sometimes add cinnamon. I'm pouring in my kefir, left over from making kefir the day before. I'm stirring it in and checking the consistency. I want to make sure the batter is the consistency that I desire, not too thick, so I'm adding water and I'm giving it another stir. This looks about right. I'm heating up my cast iron pan. There's some animal fat melting in the pan that I will use. And my pancakes are cooking. This is a really simple recipe, and the pancakes come out really good every time. They're fluffy, they're moist, they absorb the syrup very well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.